If you're looking for information on the StoryScraper Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The StoryScraper Lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the StoryScraper Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Introducing world's first AI web story automation tool. Transform your web content into visually stunning web stories effortlessly with the help of advanced one-click AI automation, a multifaceted tool to automate your web stories. Creating a web story takes a lot of time and effort, but not StoryScraper. By following a link to a story, it is possible to scrape the URLs of web stories and use them to create engaging content. One way to achieve this is by turning keywords into captivating web stories. Additionally, any posts can be transformed into stunning web stories with the right approach. Scrape web stories with ease using our single story scraping feature. Save time by scraping multiple stories at once with our bulk story scraping option. Scraping multiple stories and sites has never been easier with our multi-story or site scraping feature. Generate web stories quickly and easily with the one-click story generator. Automate your scraping process with one-click automation. Enjoy the convenience of a cloud-based tool that allows you to access your scraping tool from anywhere. StoryScraper is an AI tool that converts existing content into web stories for WordPress sites. It uses AI to generate content summaries and allows users to customize the look and feel of their stories. The tool can create web stories about trending topics and can scrape popular images and articles to connect with audiences. Users can also convert web content from anywhere on the internet into their own stories and translate them into dozens of languages. StoryScraper offers pre-built templates for different industries and integrates with ChatGPT for well-written content. The tool connects to WordPress sites via plugin or REST API for easy embedding. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to StoryScraper today. One-time purchase of $39 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.